over here, we have a display from Melissa Kaiser. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. She did an excellent job. It's my understanding this is her first display. You almost forget when you come from where I'm from, down in Illinois, West Central Illinois for a matter, that how important dairy farming is up here in Wisconsin. And pretty much all these model farms, with one or two exceptions, have a dairy theme. And that's really cool. I mean, that's really neat to see, especially if you come from where I'm from, where most people that make a display don't have much of a dairy aspect to it because, of course, that's just not the focus where we're from. Lots of nice equipment on this display. Again, great cows, great dairy display. We've got the calves over here and silage pit over here, so it's really nice. Here's the homestead, and of course, again with the electrical lines, I think that's a detail that most displays still kind of lack, so it's good to start seeing those come out here on a lot of the model farms. You can see the big machine shed. Over here we've got a little bit of a pasture scene and harvest scene, so that's really neat. Anyway, that's a great video. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to run over to this display real quick. This is Chris Knoll. Another fantastic display. What I really love about this display is this grain setup with the train, accurate to scale. This is a 1/64th train layout, so that really looks great. A lot of times you'll see guys use HO scale with 64 scale. It just never looks right to me. This is excellent, and you can see here they are building this grain leg, so that's a really cool piece that you just don't see a lot of on a model farm display, and a very nice, very big grain setup here. And then you can see you've got a pit there, we've got the scales, cow lot here. We've got a fire scene back there, and you can see that he set his hurdle building on fire. Really cool detail. Pretty neat. And then you've got your fire trucks and all that over there fighting the fire. And then again, we're in Wisconsin. Cows, there are literally thousands of cows on this model farm, and that is impressive. The amount of work that had to have gone in to making this work. And then, I mean, you can just see all of the detail over there in the barn, and it's just really impressive. I hear there are more cows coming. I hear there may be another shed coming, so that's really cool. Here we've got our silage bunkers and our slurry pits over here. And you can see we're pumping slurry and headed to the field with that. Very nice piece there, by the way. And then over here we're irrigating some field, windrowing some hay, or merging, I guess, in that case. Anyway, and then if you come back here and look, what a big display this is. Really neat, really cool. Very glad he brought it out there, brought it out to the show for us to see. And then I'm actually going to try to pack one more display into this video. Another really nice small display with lots of neat details. And I did not get the young man's name, unfortunately, but if you see this video, post it down below so we can give you credit where credit's due. Very nice farmstead display with a pasture. And then I absolutely love his service trucks over here. And a really nice shop with some neat details in the shop. Pool table, table chairs, things of that nature. Just some cool stuff for sure. And then I'm going to take two more little displays. So they're doing a mini display contest over here. So this is Rich Morgan's pulling truck, very cool. And this is Clay Zimmerman's harvesting. And I understand this may end up being a part of a bigger model farm at some point. So really cool equipment there, really neat concept. Love seeing that. And what we're going to try to do next year is try to recruit a couple more people to do some mini displays here for Janesville. So I think it'll be fun. Anyway, I'm going to head off to the other room, get some more videos.